There are 5 basic questions which a complete GIS must answer those questions. First one is, what is at a particular location? What is at? For example, place name, postcode, geographic coordinates such as latitude and longitudes. The next question, where can specific features be found? Where is it? For example, where are the districts with temperature greater than 45 degrees Celsius? The next question is, what has changed since? For example, at what locations are the agriculture area showing declining trends? The next question is, what spatial pattern exists? And the last question, what if?